in this video I'm going to talk about everything that you need to know about fading your acne scars and your hyperpigmentation. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know all of my tips and tricks and how you can actually cure your acne spots completely. So hey guys, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm MAITRAYEE Halder. I post a lot of skincare content such as this one, makeup content, haul content, random videos, recipe videos, and also suggestion of you guys such as this video right here. This video was highly requested and I thought of making this video that might help you guys. So if you are into this genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification for getting notified every time I upload, which is Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So in this video, I'm going to talk about pigmentation and hyperpigmentation and also acne scars and how you can actually treat it. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So let's just talk about acne to be in general, what causes acne and what are the types. So acne occurs if your pores are clogged or your hair follicles are clogged, and these pores or hair follicles can be clogged by excess amount of oil or sebum and dead skin cells. Now the most common types of acne being whiteheads, blackheads, and even like normal acne that you get, and also hormonal acne and even cystic acne. Now, acne can occur on a bunch of different scenarios, be it having to do with genetics, to the food you eat, or even your lifestyle choices. So, acne can occur to anyone of any age, and most commonly, acne occurs when you are a teenager. So, if you want to know more about acne and what are the types and me going into much more detail, then you can highly check out this video right here, which I made about like 2 years or 1 year ago, and this has all the information that you ever need about acne. So after watching this video, you can go back to that video and get your research right and know more about acne. Now that was all about acne. So after acne has gone comes the acne scars or acne spots. Now acne spots are the residue of acne or blemishes, and these spots or scars or acne marks can be majorly of two different types. First of all is physical scarring, and the second one is pigmented scarring. Now coming on to the physical scarring is anything that you can actually see, and most common physical scars being the indented ones, like the marks that you have indented. There is a pit kind of a thing and you can clearly see that indentation on your skin. Now that particular scenario occurs when your body doesn't produce enough collagen while that acne was healing. And another type of physical scar being raised one, like after an acne, especially if you have back acne or body acne, then you have this raised kind of a scar that pops up above your skin, and some people might confuse it with acne, but it is not exactly acne. It is the scar that has been left behind, and that is the result of producing too much collagen while healing that scar, and that is the sort of scar that I get a lot in my back. And physical scars require a lot of time to heal, and if physical scars are too severe, then a dermatologist is the only person who can help it. Now coming on to pigmented scars. Now pigmented scars are the most common ones that you get around your face or even in your body. Now pigmented scars are this like black or tinted marks or like dark spots that you get after your acne has gone, and these sort of scars are a result of trauma, or like you doing this to your acne and giving your acne trauma, and that trauma has led to it becoming those dark spots. And pigmented scarring goes by its own, but using good products and a treatment can speed up that process. And if you have more deepened sort of acne scars or pigmented scars, then you might need to go for a laser treatment or to a dermatologist to heal it. Now coming on to the actual question, how do I heal it or how do I make it go away? Prevention is always better than cure. So couple of prevention tips that I really wanted to mention. First of all, do not touch your acne, and do not do this. Do not prick your acne. Do not let your acne to be in trauma, because that leads to a more darker weird spot, and I'm certain that you do not like that. Another concern is that if you have active acne and you touch that acne and do what you want with that acne, it is not going to behave well because your hand has a lot of bacteria. That is why we need to use hand sanitizer, because bacteria and acne doesn't goes well together. You have enough bacteria there, let your treatments kill them and do not put like extra bacteria to your acne. Another prevention technique is to use acne patches. Now acne patches are available a lot in the Indian market nowadays. You can get it as cheap as like 200 rupees to as high as 1500 rupees. The product that I really recommend is the COSRX acne patches. Now you can get it I think in Nykaa and even in other websites that do sell Korean stuff, and I'll link all the necessary product links and the alternatives in the bottom box below, so do check it. And what this acne patches do is first of all prevent those extra bacteria and those environmental dust to go into your acne and not to irritate it, and secondly it also helps you to remove that pus inside of acne. And sometimes you don't even get acne scars if you use acne patches. Beneficial thing that an acne patch does is that it contains actives which are great for acne, such as gochu kola or centella asiatica, and stuff like that really helps to calm that acne. Another prevention technique is that do not use harsh products while you have active acne. Do not exfoliate or do not use anything that is too stripping for your skin, and do always use products that are gentle for your skin. If you have hormonal acne or like cystic acne which is out of your like comfort level, then you can go on to a dermatologist and have your over-the-counter drugs such as benzoyl peroxide and stuff like that, and that can really help you if you have a lot of hormonal acne and cystic acne which are like large and are really painful. You can also get hormonal acne while you are having periods. I have a lot of them, and in my video on acne I have mentioned this acne chart, and this acne chart that you see right here that lets you be more clear of what acne you are getting and what you can do to treat it. Lastly, for my prevention technique is SPF. Now SPF is really important. You do not want to irritate it further by giving it more photo damage, so always use an SPF. And also another tip that if you are having acne on a regular basis, then do not use comedogenic product, always go for non-comedogenic product. Now comedone is a culprit for your acne, and if you use products that build up comedone, then it can lead to a more like acne inflamed skin. Now these were all the prevention techniques that really helped me. Now coming on to the actual treatment. So the damage is done. Now you need to take care of your skin to make it more healthier than it had ever been. So the first treatment is to follow a good skincare routine. Now by good skincare routine I mean using milder products which is compatible for your skin type, and also products that maintains your pH and not just jeopardize it, because if you do not maintain your pH then your skin might be too dry, too oily, and you do not want that, and after the damage is done you do not want to do a collateral damage and make those acne come back to you. Now the next step is to use exfoliation, specifically chemical exfoliation. Now I am not suggesting physical exfoliation because physical exfoliation can create micro tears and we do not want that. So going with a milder chemical exfoliation might really benefit you. Now I have a whole video dedicated to chemical exfoliation, especially for a beginner like you guys or even intermediate. I will link that video right here or in the description box, and you can go on, have this one-stop guide to everything, every question related to chemical exfoliation and all the product recommendations. And exfoliation to be in general removes those excess like dead skin cells and controls oil and sebum production, which in turn prevents acne and also fades the scars much more quicker because your cell turnover process is much more faster while you do exfoliate. Another tip would be to use good actives. Now actives are really important, and actives are this superfood for your skin, like how you provide your body with good foods and your body shows that way. If you provide your skin that same amount of superfoods and good food to be in general, your skin will show that and your skin will be much more healthier. So look for actives like niacinamide. Niacinamide not only heals your skin barrier but also fades acne scars and whatnot, and also other actives like vitamin C, kojic acid, vitamin E, alpha-arbutin, and even snail mucin. Now, snail mucin is a predominant ingredient in Korean skincare routine, and I will highly suggest you guys to try this CosRX snail mucin, like this essence, and that stuff will really like fade your acne scars within the first week of usage, and I will highly suggest you guys that product, and all the other recommendations will be listed down below, so do check it. Next tip would be to use an SPF. SPF is really important, and your pigmented skin is much more prone to more pigmentation if you do not protect it from the photo damage or the UV damage, so sunscreen is really important. Now, as you will be using SPF on a regular basis, double cleansing is your way to go. If you are using sunscreen or makeup, normal cleanser cannot fully cleanse your skin because there are products that are oil soluble and water soluble, so you need an oil to break down all the oil soluble products, and you need a water based cleanser to break down the water soluble compound. So with the combination of two creates this amazing double cleansing routine, and you need to follow a double cleansing routine to see the result much more faster, because not only double cleansing properly cleanses your skin, it also leads to pores and your hair follicles creating much less blockage because all the oil and all the gunk are removed. Another tip is that using brightening product. Now, I do not support whitening product, but brightening products, the stuff that do mention that it will brighten up your skin, what those products actually do is to fade your pigmentation and your acne scars, and it does in turn make your acne scars go much faster because it contains actives or even a combination of good actives that are really great for pigmentation. So if you use good brightening products which are good for your skin, then your acne scars will fade much more quicker. Now, coming on to the last tip, which is spot treatment, or like the stuff that you actually put on your spot to like spot treat and to target that specific area. Now, there are a lot of spot treatment available in the market. I will mention a couple of the good ones that I really found out, and generally these spot treatments are this concentrated version of actives, which if you put too much actives on your skin, it is not that great, but if you put too much actives on the acne scars, then it will actually heal it much more faster because you are giving it so many good nutrients all at the same time that your skin is like, whoa, I'm having too much healthy food, so I need to show some good results. So this acne treating gels or creams and targeted spot treatment really will benefit if you guys are looking for a one step or a quicker solution. And also, I will mention this ingredient right here, which is tamanu oil. Now, tamanu oil is this wonderful ingredient which not only heals your skin barrier, but it also makes your pigmentation or hyperpigmentation or acne scar to fade much quicker. Now, it is a really great cheaper alternative because you really need a small amount. Tamanu oil will really help you. I really think tamanu oil can be a great oil for spot treatment, for all over skin, and for a facial oil to be in general. Now, before ending this video, I will quickly mention some do's and don'ts. Now, coming on to the do's, follow up with a proper skincare routine. Use your mild and gentle products to have like proper skincare routines such as cleansing, toning, moisturizing treatment, and follow it regularly, like on an everyday basis. Do not laze out, your skin will thank you. Using good actives is really beneficial if you are trying to fade your acne scars. Chemical exfoliation plays a huge role of you getting rid of excess things that are present on your skin, such as dead skin cells and oils. The most important do is that using acne patches. SPF is really important. I do not need to mention it again. Now, you are what you eat, so proper diet is a really important step. Now, I do not support having like healthy food and low carb and everything low food 365 days. You need to have cheat meal, that's okay, that's perfect, but having a proper diet is really important if you really need to take good care of your skin. Also, hydration is the key, so using good hydrating products, the stuff that will build up your skin barrier and not irritate it, is really important. And also drinking water. If you do hydrate your skin and your body, your skin will glow. Now lastly, if your acne scars are too severe, do not do anything on your own. Go to a dermatologist, seek their expertise, because let's just be honest, we are not expert and dermatologists are dermatologists for a reason. Now, mentioning a couple of don'ts: do not use any DIY spot corrector, because stuff like lemon juice and like citric juice to be in general, and also this craze of making your own serums from like natural products is not that great. First of all, DIYs that does contain natural ingredients are not stable enough for your skin, because if you are having a sensitive skin or a normal skin to be in general, those high concentration can really do more harm than good. So do not use any DIYs. The next don't is to never dehydrate your skin. The more dehydrated your skin is, the more acne it will produce. If you think your skin is too oily, you do not need to put moisturizer. That is completely wrong. That would in turn lead to a more sebum production and more oil production, and that would lead to more acne. So do not ever dehydrate your skin. Use good moisturizer, use good hydrating products, and use gentle products which will build up your skin barrier and not break it. And lastly, I really wanted to make this disclaimer: I do not support whitening products. So do not ever use whitening products on your skin, but instead go on to brightening products. But do not fall into this fairness agenda, and love yourself for the way you are. So hey guys, that was my video on acne scars and me going into much more detail on about how I cured my acne, a couple of steps and tips that I have accumulated on this skincare journey that I have been going through. And if you like this sort of video, then do like it, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts. And those of you guys who recommended me to do this video, let me know if I have really helped you, and talk to me in general. I really like talking back to you. Also, do share this video with any of your friends who are suffering from acne, and just let them know it's all right. We can go through this all together. And instead of thinking, oh my god, my skin is so bad, we can all think of a way that can improve what we have and be beautiful from within. Subscribe to my channel for getting more such content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care.